I've never seen a full black pigeon before. This is kind of crazy. What the? There was this lady throwing out breadcrumbs, and a guy who cleans it up telling her to stop because, well, apparently when it gets wet, it can become slippery, and I understand that, but she may not understand. So many birds. They flew in a unit, almost taking off my head. So many freaking birds. Hey, blackbird. I see a little bit of green. I've never seen a black pigeon before. I saw 2 brown ones before. Hello. There was a lady here not too long ago throwing breadcrums.
That's why they all right here.
Yeah, and the guy said throw them on the grass because he got to clean up all that. What?
All that poop and stuff.
Hey, look, this pigeon has a white head.
I know, it's so cool.
I've never seen that before.
One right there too.
And this one's like a Dalmatian, polka dots on the face. This is so amazing. I've seen a typical gray and dark gray, but never this degree. Dang, I didn't catch that pigeon flying. I've never seen so many pigeons with white on them. Oh, I see that pigeon over there. Too bad my camera sucks. It would probably be cool if I can pet them, but they will fly away. Probably make me drop my phone. Hey, little puffy bird. That pigeon just sneezed like how my cat does. Ah, so pretty. Any minute these birds might take off flying. They were getting into a little scuffle. I was so close. Don't take off flying. I might drop my phone. This phone was expensive. Well, not as expensive as an iPhone. Okay, I'm gonna go now because it's only a matter of time before they take off flying.